is laptop and computer problems. Yes, how are you all? Are you all fine? This time I will share again our info about how to overcome a hard disk or laptop that cannot be installed. How, bro? Can't install it? Can't format it, friends. So in the installation process, it's not 100%, it's an error. Well, and an example like this. We create a partition before installing, yes. Create a 100 gig partition for example. Well, here you can still create a partition. Here you can still. Usually there are errors like that too. Can't format, can't delete, usually can't be here too. Well, this can still be done. But when we want to install, click next. When we click next, EE is still in a 0 state, friends. He encountered an error like this error. Well, like this, friends. He can't format it. The point is about the hard disk. About the hard disk can't be formatted, right? Well, what's the solution, bro? The solution is easy. Well, please, friends, just close this error. I'll come back here later, friends. Please press the Shift key on the keyboard and F10. The Shift key on the keyboard and F10 so that we enter the CMD to manually format the hard disk. Yes, please note that this method will erase all data, friends. Well, let me enlarge this, okay? Well, this method will erase all data on the hard disk, whether C, D, E, or G, everything is gone. So you have to back it up first, okay? If there are no questions, just go straight to the method, okay? Please here type list dis a list dis this part, okay? Disec part. Yeah. When this part appears, please type list dis, okay? List dis. Now, this is what you have to pay attention to. Here, friends, don't make the wrong choice. We choose this 500 gig hard drive, not the 900. This is the hard drive that we will format or reinstall. It's on disk 2. So we type cell disk 2. Don't make the wrong choice. Please pay attention. Now, when you're done, please clean it. All data will be lost. Now, next, friends, type again EC or yes C at partition primary create partition primary yes. When it's done, immediately enter again. Next, type cell partition. One more enter. Next, type active yes, enter again yes. Now, next, type again format space FSA wrong yes. Type format type space format FS. Same as NTFS yes. FS equals NTFS behind it quick KUEC. Please enter immediately. Then the formatting process will take place. Just wait. This is slow, some are fast. Usually it's fast. Now, if it's already 100% like this, friends, please just type exit to exit the Discord program. Please type exit. Now, enter again. Enter yes. To exit the disk part here, friends, exit again to exit the CMD, then it will return to the installation menu. Well, it will return here. Please, friends, install as usual like before. Install as usual like before. Well, in this video I speed up so that it goes straight to the partitioning process so that we can immediately know whether this method is successful or not. Okay, just wait for it to load as usual in the checklist, then we select next to continue the installation. Yes, in the checklist then we select next. What if it doesn't work, sir? Well, of course, replace the hard drive. If this method doesn't work, of course the hard drive can no longer be used. The hard drive cannot be serviced, so the model is replaced with a new one, friends. Well, if it's like this, friends, just go ahead and next. No need to format it again, no need to click new again, just go ahead and next. We have formatted it via CMD, friends. This hasn't happened yet, an error has occurred. Well, this is already possible, friends. 'There's already a 100% number. 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 'There's al If before 100%, an error appeared like that. If this is no longer the case. Okay, those are the characteristics of success. For friends who are experiencing the same thing, please try this method. But the data will be lost. There's no other way. There's no other way. Okay, friends. If for example, this method still doesn't work, it means the hard disk is damaged like that, friends, yes. Well, okay, friends. The information and tutorial are probably enough for here. Thank you for coming and watching. Don't forget to like or subscribe to the channel. If for example you don't want to, that's okay.